Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your Luna token on your Binance application step by step. So first things first, we're going to be opening up Binance, and once Binance opens up, we're going to be heading over to the convert section. Once at the convert section, you take note that we're spending 0 fees on these transactions, and we're going to be using our currencies which are listed from our wallets. We're going to be exchanging our BUSD for Luna. So you simply search for Luna, either Luna Classic or Luna Terra. So you select it, and we're going to be converting 1.5 BUSD. You preview conversion, and that's equivalent to 0.9694 Luna. You click convert, and conversion successful, and you've simply purchased some Luna on your Binance account, and now you can simply make use of this Luna in any manner you deem necessary. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy Luna on your Binance application, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.